So today is Friday, September 30th. Just gonna give you guys a quick play-by-play on the trade that I'm currently in right now. The trade is in progress. So let's get to it. First and first, one of the things I try to first do, when I'm about to take a trade like this, of course, is I want to see what the highs and lows of the previous day is, just for me to understand what that range. So this is AMD. The high yesterday at open was at 67.20, and AMD actually punched about 5 points yesterday. Now, personally, I don't like trading when something is in the range, right, or when something is consolidating, and that is the price action of AMD today. But out of bottom, and hey, I will tell you, don't trade out of bottom, especially if you're not very, good in what you're doing. And when I do this, like, my risk is very, very, very little, if I'm being quite honest with you. So that was AMD is still currently in the range right now. So we're going to go to like our hourly chart, our 1 hour chart, and let's go and see. This is today's price action. As you can see, the price action is still ongoing on today right there. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger for us. So as this was going on, what I was looking for in AMD was these shooting star that we have right over there on the hourly chart at 64.90, right over there at 64.90. So I was waiting for us to break below it, and like I showed us in my previous video, what I've been doing lately is I use my Fibonacci as a stop loss. So on this candle up here, I put my Fibonacci on it. I want that 50% stop loss. If it retraced 50% against my position, then I'm going to get out. And keep in mind, today is Friday. I'm playing a weekly expiry, so things move a bit faster, than normal, right? It's a little play-by-play. All right, so that was what I was looking at. A break below 64.90. Making use of 65.41, a very wide stop loss in this case. And when we come into the 15 minutes chart on the same play, we will see this is where that initial 15-minute reversal happened. For those who do strap, we call it 2-2, a 2-2 rev strap. This is what we have over here, which means, let's say I was really, really trying to get into this super early. I could have taken the low of this candle over here, but I didn't do that, right? I wanted to take the break off here. And as you guys can see, I took the break right up here, and I believe we're going to be able to see that even better on a 5 minute. On the 5 minute chart, I took the break right there, a break of 65.90, 64.90 rather. It came down, it pulled back to that same entry level it held. Let's say it started rallying against me and went to 65.40, I would have gotten out, but it bounced over there, it came, bounced again on this level, and it's still going down. As you guys can see right now, it is pulling back a little bit, but nothing goes straight down in the stock market except on some days, right? But on most days you have that zigzag action. The play is currently up about 54% right now. I'm still gonna let it ride. I think we are coming back more than likely to test the low of yesterday, which is that 62. Let me see, I believe it was 62 something. The low of yesterday, 62.83. I think there's a high chance of us coming back to at least get closer to that low. And if I decide to close it right now, it's already a profitable trade. But it's a Lotto. Part of being in Lotto is something that you are willing to lose, or you watch it go to a higher percentage. If you have any question, just shoot me a message via the comments, and I'll be more than happy to answer those questions. Oh, one last thing, and of course, when I got into the trade, just to reassure myself of direction, I put up unusual whales. This is what I use for my flow analysis, and I try to look at every contract coming in that is expiring 9:30, I see that, the put side is about 37.4 million compared to the call side. And of course, the put call ratio is 0.9, which means, this is still heavily a bearish move. Once again, if you have any question, just shoot me a message, put a comment in the comment section, and I'll be more than happy, to answer your questions or give you any clarifications. Thank you.